to Expert SCM supply chain knowledge sharing session. Here the term is smoothing. When data is compiled, it can be manipulated or reduce any volatility or any other type of noise. This is called data smoothing. The idea behind it is that it can identify simplified changes in order to help predict different trends and patterns. It acts as an aid for statisticians or traders who need to look at a lot of data that can often complicated to digest to find the pattern they would not otherwise see. To explain with a visual representation, imagine a one-year chart for a company's X stock. Each individual high point on the chart can be reduced while raising all the lower points. Data smoothing is intended to ignore one-time outliers and take into account seasonality. So normally in supply chain management, the demand forecasting is one area. We apply the smoothing for the data we get so that we are trying to isolate the outliers, the characters which is outside the normally defined boundaries. This is where smoothing comes into play. There are various levels of smoothing and various parameters are used, and there are also constants which helps in smoothing. Thanks for watching. Bye.